Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, allow me to introduce myself, and my name is Ria Nurul Fitratul Wahidah. My nickname is Ria, and I'm from Muhammadiyah University of Ponorogo, and I'm from 5th semester of Mathematics Education Study Program. And in this video, I will achieve my analyzed article. And the first article, the title is Grace Actually an Evolutionist Argument for an Activist Mathematics Education. And the journal is about argument for mathematics activists in real life. And the problem from this article is reasoning ability to form mathematical reasoning. And the research for this article, and number 1, mathematical reasoning, like any other form reasoning, refers to the cognitive capacity that initially developed in the service or of motor action. And number 2, like a black stroke emitting a kinesiology for aquatic predation. And so this paper argues through the theoretical consideration and empirical evidence humanity is required to practice that math ensure ecological adaptive capacity to formulate action environment-oriented sensory perception. In the conclusion in this article, in learning mathematics, we need to learn to move in new ways that will achieve our goals by being forced by the cultural form we measure. And the suggestion, my advice with this journal is not to use too many explains of language. And the lack of the article in this journal only describes mathematical reasoning in the field of culture and use a lot of example language. And so, the second article, the title is Mathematics Education Student Experience During Lockdown, Managing Collaboration in e-learning. And this article about learn math during lockdown using e-learning. The problem in this article, the challenge of using technology in learning and the digital competence of teacher in teaching. And the result for this article, number 1, shift and challenge of student interaction with teachers since COVID-19. And number 2, the online learning environment requires active and collaborative participation. And number 3, the use of digital technology when students solve problems is very important, effective when digital media facilitate open experimentation and a stimulus for discussion. And the conclusion in this article, the COVID-19 lockdown has an impact on the student learning experience. In particular to communicate their algebraic thinking in mathematics education and the process of collaborative. And so in this suggestion, this article, it would be nice in this article to also discuss the solution and problem of e-learning in which the area lacks a signal. In the lack of the article, the lack of attention to areas that are impossible to reach the implementation of e-learning. And the short article analyzing, the article is title article is Ethical Reasoning in Mathematics, New Direction for Redacted in U.S. Mathematics Education. And the article about mathematics didactic in the U.S. as research on equity. For the problem for this article is the challenge of using technology in learning and the digital competence of teacher in teaching. I'm sorry. And the problem is this article is didactical limitation in U.S. mathematics education. And the result from this article is math didactics in the United States is not undergoing a radical shift toward research and teaching mathematics with equity focus. And so, conclusion for this article is ethical reasoning in mathematical decision making is very important and deserves attention. And so, suggestion for this article is the people involved in this article should be all kinds of people. And so, the lack of the article is only white socioeconomic or educationally privileged student involved in this article interview. Okay, the next is the for article analyzing. The title is Using Technology in Young Children Mathematical Learning, a Didactic Perspective. The article is about the role of technology in learning mathematics for children in the term didactic perspective. And so the problem in this article is the difficulty of educators in using technology to teach mathematics online in the pandemic era. And so the result of this article, number 1, mathematics learning at this level is expected to facilitate and support effective mathematics learning. Number 2, technology is one of the tools that can be used to record, store, revisit, and share what they learn from their lesson every day. Number 3, technology has the most crucial role in realizing the effectiveness of learning mathematics by utilizing technology. And the conclusion for this article is technology plays a very important role in learning mathematics in young children. And so suggestion for this article is my advice: use technology only to help the teacher in learning if the child has the faculty. And the lack of the article is, in my opinion, the role of the teacher is almost replaced by technology. And so the 5th article, the title is Computer and Electrical Engineering. And this article about the role of reality enhancing technologies in teaching and learning of mathematics. And the problem is comprehensive review of work using VR and or AR for teaching mathematics at all academic levels. And result for the article is most studies as AR over VR, not only because VR often requires a larger investment, but also because VR can cause a complication during learning and extraneous cognitive load, or i.e. information overload. And conclusion for this article is, although the finality of using AR or VR in mathematics education depend on the academic level, most of the work aims to facilitate learning and make self-study more interesting. And suggestion in this article is presentation of article using language that is easy to understand and not grandiose. And the lack of the article, I think the presentation in this article is difficult to understand. And the second article is the title, the difference in communication ability and mathematical disposition of students who are given GeoGebra as that contextual learning model and the cooperative learning model. And this article about implementation of portfolio as a learning technique that helps them to learn to write English. And the problem, discuss learning by using a portfolio writing system. And so the result from this article, number 1, the implementation of the portfolio system for junior high school student depend on the effectiveness of learning activities. Number 2, application of a portfolio system to monitor student progress in the area of expertise, attitudes, and of course knowledge that reflect the extent to which students understand the subject matter. And the conclusion from this article is portfolio implementation is not ideal. And the suggestion for this article is the content of the article short match the title of the article. And the lack of the article is the title of the article does not match to the content of the article. And the last article is exploring the educational value of mathematical beauty and effective ways of discovering mathematical beauty. And the article about the accuracy of mathematical reasoning, the abstractness of mathematical language, the depth of thinking on and mathematical method, and the excessive formalization of teaching have format gaps hindering students in approaching mathematics. And the problem is mathematical reasoning accuracy. The result for this article is number 1, pursuing the beauty of mathematics in one of the motivation for scientists to research the field of mathematics. Number 2, the level of experiencing the beauty of mathematics depend on the individual understanding of the mathematical knowledge system, emotional response to mathematics, mathematical achievement, as well as interest and aesthetic abilities. And the conclusion is math is beautiful if we really appreciate the beauty of mathematics. Curves are not only soft and smooth shapes, but also give a rich and deep meaning. Mathematical symbols are no longer boring and considered difficult language, but they are rational records that are a symphony of nature. Mathematics is no longer a crude and ugly monster, but a graceful and charming beauty. Mathematics beauty is all around us. Let's enjoy the beauty of mathematics. And so the suggestion in this article is deeper in the explanation of the article. A suggestion in this article, in my opinion, go deeper in the explanation of the article. And the lack of the article in this article is too short in this journal presentation. And the gap for article, title for article, using technology in your children mathematical learning, a dictate perspective, and about the role of technology in learning mathematics for children in term didactic perspective. And different this article, learning mathematics with the application of perspective didactic technology. And the second title, mathematics education student experience during lockdown, managing collaboration in e-learning. The article about learn math during lockdown using e-learning. This article, we explain the learning process using technology during lockdown. Okay guys, the last. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.